Hey guys, we must stop meeting in my car this way. No, just kidding. Post-workout, again, today is Wednesday. It's the 7th, which is my 3-year anniversary since hitting my goal weight. And I wouldn't be myself if I didn't come too sweaty because that's where I seem to spend most of my time. And today I want to just say something that's really important to me. I don't want you just to hit your goal. I really don't. That's not enough for me. It's not enough for me for you. I want you to hit your goal and be there year after year after year. I know that, like you've maybe never experienced that, but it is the most amazing gift you can give to yourself. To be able to walk in your closet, pick up anything, and it fit 12 months ago, and it fit the 12 months before that, and it's possible. That's what I want to tell you. It's possible. All you have to do is get out of that diet cycle mentality of this is the answer. It's not the answer. Please, please, please look at the way you're living your life. Make small changes every single week, every single month, and create the life you want to live. Create it slowly over time to where you can get accustomed to those new habits, because those are what's going to keep you here. It's not a magic pill. It's not a magic wand. I'm still working out, busting my butt at the gym, and I'm still eating right. I'm still doing those things. It didn't stop, right? And there's going to be ups and downs to anything you do. But know that this is possible. Know that it's not just about losing the weight. I could put you in an institution somewhere and they could put you on a really restrictive diet and you will lose weight. It will happen. But someday you're going to leave that institution. Someday you're going to stop following that diet program. What's going to happen the next day, the day after that, 6 months from there? And really think about that. Yes, short term, this might cause me to lose a lot of weight quicker. But where do I want to be 3 years after I get to my goal weight? Where do I want to be 5 years? You got the rest of your life to live. How do you want to live it on this perpetual yo-yo diet cycle? Or at your goal weight and being happy? And maybe you're not what you were in high school. Maybe you're not 125 pounds. Maybe you're a good solid 150, or maybe you're really tall and you're 170. I don't know. It doesn't matter. If you're healthier than you were and you can sustain it, it doesn't matter, right? So don't play the numbers game in your head. Say to yourself today, what can I do today to get me where I want to be and keep me there? That's the magic. That's what you want. And I want it for you. And I mean, we can do this. We can do this. Get out your book. Look at the habits. What habit are you tweaking this week? Share it. Post it. Start moving forward with this. There's no reason to wait, right? There's no magic date. Do it today. All right, guys, I love you. And I'm just so excited to celebrate this day with you. And I want to celebrate your successes as well, because this is how we're going to get where we want to be. We all have to share our successes. We all have to put ourselves out there. You guys have a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll talk to you soon.